Hi, my name is Mandy Walter, and I am the Education Coordinator here at Authorized Back and Sew. I'm new and I'm excited to be here. I came a couple of years ago as a customer, bought a dream machine, and now I'm working here, and I'm so excited to show you some of the projects that we have coming up. So on Monday, June 29th, Lorraine will be teaching the Fanny pack. And believe it or not, Fanny packs are back in style. And this is the way that you wear them now. This will be in 3 different sizes as a choice. There's 2 zippers, and it's fully lined. It's also adjustable. So Lorraine is a great instructor, and she will be helping you out, and this is a great thing to make. On Monday, July 13th, from 10 to 4, Lorraine is going to be teaching the flipping out bag. This is really a cool and a very different bag. It has pockets on the inside with mesh. So you can put your, whatever you want in there, your thread, anything would go in there. You can see how big it is. You could set rulers in here. You could put your cutter in here, your rotary cutter. And the great part about it is that the whole bag zips completely up and lays flat, or it can stand up. It could also be your sewing machine, and you can use it to hold your supplies. Angela will be teaching this adorable messenger bag on July 13th and July 20th. It is a 2-day class. This bag has a short handle, but you can also do a longer handle. It has the hardwares on the side to attach it. She's done this with cork, which is adorable, the blue cork. If you look inside, it's all lined. It has 2 pockets. And it also has the snaps that you put on it. Angela is our instructor, and she teaches all the garment classes, and she excels at making the bags. This is Ella's party dress, and Angela will be teaching this on July 14th. It is an adorable little girl's dress. It's made out of gauze, and I know not very many of you have made anything out of gauze except those snuggle blankets, but it is so light and it's so airy and comfortable. And we have some really great gauze fabric. We have the hearts that you see here, we have butterflies, we have birds, and we have the arrows. I think any little girl would love to wear this to a party. Angela will be teaching this cami on July 15th from 10 to 4. This is a beautiful cami. It is so soft to the touch. You could wear it to bed, you could lounge in it, you could even dress it up and wear it out. She's a great seamstress, and if you are a beginner, she will be there for you and help you every step of the way. Terry Brown will be teaching the Abbey Bag on July 15th. This is the cutest bag to set on your sewing station. Hold your scraps, and it also has a pin cushion on the top. So what you do, it has a gripper on the bottom. And so what you do is you just set it on your sewing station, and it stays right there. Everyone here at AVS wants to make sure that we are safe. That includes our employees, it also includes our students. We are adhering to the COVID guidelines. All of our sewing machines are 6 feet apart. We all wear our masks. But we're continuing with just having some fun and taking these classes, learning new things. We're excited to see you, so register now.